Transmission shop didn't put the car back together and tried to tell us the transmission was bad. It's the same thing on both sides of the car.